In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your settings on both Facebook and inside of the Messenger app to appear offline to other users. Your active status shows your friends or contacts when you're currently or were recently active on both Facebook and Messenger. When you're logged in and active, you'll see a small green dot next to your profile icon like this. Note that when turning off your active status, you'll need to do this in each spot that you use Messenger or Facebook. So, for instance, if you turn it off on the mobile app, you'll still appear online if you don't turn it off on the web and you're using it there. But if you only use Messenger on a phone, then you'll be fine. Also, once you turn off your active status, you won't be able to see when your friends are active either. We'll start by turning off your active status inside of the Messenger app. Once you have Messenger open, tap your profile icon on the top left of the page. Here towards the top, you'll see Active Status. Choose that. You have two options inside of here. The first option is to show when you're active on Messenger. Tap the slider on the right and a pop-up window will appear, letting you know that by turning this option off, you will also be unable to see when your friends are active or recently active. Tap Turn Off to appear offline in Messenger. The next option, Show when you're active together, shows your contacts when you're both active in the same chat. So, for instance, if there's a group chat going on, you can turn this off and the other contacts wouldn't be able to see that you're online inside of the chat. But if they were to look back at the main Messenger screen, they would see you as online. You can turn this feature on or off, but if you turn off the first active option, this will automatically be disabled. And remember, this only affects the device that you're logged in and currently using. Finally, I'll show you where to change inside of the Facebook app to appear offline there. Open Facebook, and from the main screen, tap the menu icon on the lower right of the page. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then choose Settings and Privacy to expand the section. Inside of here, choose Settings. Scroll down into the Audience and Visibility section and choose Active Status. Tap the slider on the right and you'll then get another pop-up window letting you know that when you turn this off, you won't be able to see the active status of your other friends. Tap Turn Off to turn your active status off. And that's how you appear offline to others inside of both the Facebook and Messenger apps.